Guys, to cut the story short, this is where we are. There's still tomorrow, guys. You know me, I'm patient as ever. But this is where we are. 1,000 to 10K, guys. You already know. The boy Peter, my balance is 7.5. You already know, guys. This is how we cut the story short. This is how much we've made today. 4.9 so far. Guys, we don't play games here. It's your boy Peter. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Gold performing well, guys. Guys, this is epic, guys. This is lovely. This is lovely. 3.5 USD. I want to close before the NYSE opening, guys. But this is lovely right here. I want you to see this. I want you to see this. Same account that we've been using from the 13th. Guys, we're not playing games here. We're not playing games. So, guys, let me go ahead and secure some profits, guys. Let me go ahead and secure some profits. We're about to close gold and USCHF. So, guys, give me a moment. I'll come and update you. But, guys, look at that. 3.2. Just today, guys. Just today. Guys, it's your boy Peter. It's Forex Pro. I'll give you an update as soon as I'm done closing this. Let me sign up. So, profit secured, guys. We left 2 seconds before the NYSE session. So let's just go to today. So far, I've secured 2.6. Got 377 USD running. Let's see what happens with the NYSE opening. Here it opens 2 seconds. Let's see. Give us some juice. Volatility has been short today, guys. I don't know why, but look at this. Let's see where we take this 300 USD. Oh, okay. So it's going down. It's looming down. Wait a minute. Let's see what happens. Profits are still there. Let's see. It's going down. Great Britain USD is going down. Gold is also going down from the way I'm looking at it, guys. Let's wait and see. Usually does this, guys. It's to spike up and then towards the directions of the system. But anyway, 2.6 secured, guys. Let me not make this one long. I'll come and update you. As you can see, profits are coming back, accumulating back. It doesn't get better than this. Guys. I told you it doesn't get better than this. Let's go. Let me give you an update. I don't want to make it too long. So, boy Peter, let's make money automated. Guys, let me sign out. Gold is still going up. Great Britain USD is still gonna go up. Guys, this guy is the limit. So I've got AUD USD and AUD USD looks like it's already going up. Great Britain AUD, exactly. Great Britain USD, I just said it's still going up. USD CAD, still gonna fall this one. No problem, still gonna fall. So let me give you an update, guys. Okay. That was just 1 minute, so I was just trying to see it in the extents of things, guys. But anyway, it's Forex Pro, guys. You know me, I always update you. If you haven't watched any of my previous videos, go ahead and watch. Boy Peter, guys, money goes to money, guys. That's what I can tell you. Your money doesn't sit in your banking accounts or your savings account. Guys, your money needs to work for you. This is 2021. I showed you USD CAD is still going to go down, and here it is, still at the entry point. Great Britain USD coming back to life. Guys, 2.6 secured again, and got almost 1,000 USD running right now, guys. So just check the time with my previous videos. The time hasn't materialized. There's the time right there, guys. It doesn't get better than this. It doesn't get better than this, guys. I can almost guarantee you guys, today this one we're gonna clock at 2K. We're gonna clock at 2K. No fundamentals or anything. There was no volatility whatsoever. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, 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 guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Forex Villa Pro is your boy Pera doing the most, guys. Video call before you make any purchases, guys. It's so cold, but here we are. We're milking the markets, guys. We're milking the markets. It doesn't matter whether if you're a beginner or an advanced trader. We're just doing what we love, guys. This is a system fully plugged on VPS, guys. Let's milk money, guys. Let's show what we're capable of. Let's milk these brokers, guys, because they never care about us. 1.1. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. The biggest gainer is AUD USD. Oh, it's Great Britain USD, the biggest gainer. Look at that. Even US state just opened up right now. So guys, let's make money. 1.2. I can even close now. I'm set. I don't even have to trade tomorrow. I'm set. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. So let me show you what the system has done from the 13th of June. Guys, look at that. From a net deposit of 1,000 USD. Here we are. Here we are. Guys, let's take this to the top, guys. It's Forex Villa Pro. Visit our website. Know more about us, guys. I can guarantee you guys, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity right here. With the system 1.3, let me close, guys. I'll give you a summary of what we do. Look at this, look at this today. Let's go to today. 2.6, 1.2. Okay, let's close. So I'm seeing a lot of potential right now. The momentum is picking up, guys. Look at the US data, guys. It's already picking up momentum. USD card. Remember what USD card was just 15 minutes ago. Look at where we are right now, guys. We were there at the top here. Now we've lost over 40 pips. But I mean, like, we've gained over 40 pips, and look at where we are. Look at where the account is sitting at right now. It's 18 minutes to 4, guys. It doesn't get better than this. And of course, it's Alita Pro Ultimate. I mean, like, it's the ultimate Pip Collector. Alita Pro. We haven't plugged Alita Pro this week, guys, because you know I need the accuracy of the ultimate Pip Collector here. I need the accuracy, guys. I need the accuracy, definitely. USDT. What's going on with the USDT? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. It's a buy. Okay, it's a reversal. Anyway, guys, this is 1 minute time frame. We're still running on 1 hour time frame, not 15-minute time frame. 1 hour time frame. The stop loss is down there. So anyway, we're safe. It's good. That's good. 3.7 in just a day, guys. It doesn't get better than that. It's for a Villa Pro. Guys, this is what I want to emphasize, guys. Let your money make more money. Other than letting it sit on your savings account, guys, this is what it can do. 1.2 again, guys. 1.2 again. Remember, I closed some few trades earlier on, and that's why we're sitting at 3.7. Guys, look at this. Now it's USD CAD. You saw this trade before it even went to profit. Look at this USDT. You also saw this one before it went into profit. So only these two are left right now, and they're running in magnificent profit, guys. And I'm about to close them down, guys. So just to give you a little bit of a summary, you already know from the 13th, look at where this account is right now, guys. 9,270. I mean, like 9,287. It's starting to get a little tough for me to read this video, but you look at that, guys. You look at that. You look at that. That's over a meter, guys. Look at this. 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 In just a week, guys. In just a week. It doesn't get better than this. It doesn't get better than this. Lovely stuff. Forex Villa Pro. You already know, guys. This is the last video I'm gonna send. The rest I'm gonna keep to myself. Boy Pira. Guys, to cut the story short, this is where we are. There's still tomorrow, guys. You know me, I'm patient as ever. But this is where we are. 1,000 to 10K, guys. You already know. Boy Pira, my balance is 7.5. You already know, guys. This is how we cut the story short. This is how much we made today. 4.9 so far. Guys, it doesn't get better than this. As you always know, that's my catchphrase. It doesn't get better than that. Guys, let us make our money work for us. Other than to let it sit on the savings account, guys. This is the best it gets. It's Forex Villa Pro, guys. Fully plugged on VPS, 1 hour time frame. DM me for parameters if you're the system user of the ultimate Pip Collector. We're definitely making it, guys, and definitely do send us results, guys, so we can post to the Telegram channel. Boy Pira, signing out.